Hey y'all, it is summertime and it's like in the 90s here in Savannah. Michael is on his diet, that carb-free keto diet, and it's almost too hot to cook a great big huge meal. So I have a recipe in this magazine. In fact, this magazine is on the newsstands right now. And I'm gonna share with y'all a recipe from the magazine. And it's a broccoli and berry salad. And it's just perfect for a light lunch. You know, if you don't wanna get too full. And it's got our veggies in it and it's got our fruits. Right now, I am toasting some slivered almonds. And I'm toasting them just because that toasting them brings out the real flavor in an almond. So, and it doesn't take but a minute, but you do want to watch because they can burn real quick. Like, and if you over toast them, they're not going to be so good. While I'm waiting for those to toast, I'm gonna come over here and I am gonna take my fresh broccoli flowerettes and I am gonna add my fresh sliced strawberries. Beautiful strawberries. I'm gonna add my blueberries. I'm gonna add purple onion. This is gonna be a good lunch for us today, guys.
It's pretty.
Isn't it pretty? And we're just gonna do some carrot curls that give us one more veggie, one more healthy veggie. I got to check on my toasted almonds. Not quite.
That purple onion came out of my father-in-law's garden.
Did it? Did y'all hear what Teresa just said? That purple onion came out of her father-in-law's garden.
What else does he have in his garden?
Yeah, what else he got?
And onions and...
We'd like some, please.
He don't have corn. I'm trying to think of what else. Tomatoes at some point.
There is nothing like a homegrown tomato. Okay, so the carrot curls are pretty in there. Might do a few more. I like the way they look. And see, it's real easy. And if you wanted these to curl up, you know, stay curled up pretty good, you could put them in ice water. And that would help them curl. Just a few more minutes. All right, and oops, I'm dropping nuts out of my mouth. All right, so we have some beautiful fresh mint. And mint grows like wildfire down here in the South. And if you plant just a couple little plants, you'll never ever have to plant it again because it's gonna spread and keep multiplying and multiplying. Okay, our almonds are toasted. So I'm gonna sit them right there and let them cool. And like I said, mint will it will take over your garden. During the summer when the watermelons come in good, I just love my watermelon and mint salad. Oh, it's so good. Okay. So there's our fresh mint. Almost could stood a bigger bowl, couldn't I? Look how pretty. That's just beautiful. All right. Still a little warm, so I'm gonna leave them. So now I'm gonna come over here and make our dressing for it, which is about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm using my hand to catch the seeds, and about a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of garlic powder, vinegar, red wine vinegar, and then I'm going to beat in a little olive oil. I think it's olive oil, can't remember.
Canola.
Canola, okay. A little canola oil. Now I want this to, really give it time for all those flavors. Oh, I got lemon juice in a cut. Feels so good. I want the garlic powder to evaporate. All right, now I need a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. It's a-coming. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Gonna add a little bit more of that garlic powder. Thank you, Teresa. You got them out of that hot pot, didn't you?
I did. Hoping that helps.
Yes, it does. It's still hot though. I should have done that a lot earlier. This just looks beautiful. Yummy, yummy. So there's no sugar in this. All we use for sweetener is the honey. And I'm gonna just drizzle this over our salad, and like I said, let those flavors just marry. Wow, sometimes less is definitely more. You know, I probably didn't let that salt and garlic powder dissolve enough. But I'm hungry. I am hungry. So what do y'all think, kids?
Looks great.
Doesn't it look great? I'm going to top it with just a little salt and a little pepper and a little bit more almonds. Who's ready to eat? I am. There's 3 hands that went up pretty quick in this room, y'all. Delicious. Delicious. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use the bowl that I made the marinade in. Uh-oh. I took too many strawberries. Look how good that looks, y'all.
Now, would this be something that you would set and marinate, or would you put the dressing on right before you eat?
I would go ahead and toss it with the dressing eddy and let it marinate for a little while. So good. It's just so refreshing. You know, you feel like you're doing something good for your body. Get your bowl, Joyce, and taste it. Eddie, you want some? This is a perfect time of year for this salad. You can eat it alone as your meal or next to a chicken breast or a nice piece of fish. So there you go, my friends. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.